It is a great day for science, my little happy scientists. We have been talking about evaporation, condensation, and a little bit about precipitation a few weeks ago, but that's what we're going to focus on this week is what precipitation is. And hopefully you remember it's just water that comes down from the sky. So we are going to start with a read aloud, and then we'll have a little activity. So here we go. Precipitation. Let me try to make it a little bigger. There we go. Okay, what is precipitation? Plants, animals, and people all need water to live. The water cycle moves water from the earth, the water cycle moves water to the earth from the sky. Sorry. Precipitation is part of this cycle. And so we've talked about that evaporation, it's going up as water vapor, condensation, and then it comes down to earth as precipitation. Precipitation is water that falls from the clouds. Look at that storm. That looks like a Florida storm, doesn't it? We get some big storms. It can fall as a liquid or a solid. So here are some types of precipitation. Rain is a liquid form. We know that. It can come as a sprinkle or a downpour. And here in Florida, we know both of those very well. It might be raining in your front yard and it's not raining in your backyard. Drizzle is a misty liquid. It's finer than rain, so it's just very light. Precipitation becomes snow when the weather is colder. We don't know about that. The solid flakes can be wet or sticky, or light and powdery. So there's different kinds of snow. Looks fun though, doesn't it? I lived in Maine for a little while and it snowed a lot. Maine's up at the top of the country. It was cold. Sometimes precipitation is a mix of rain and snow. It can also fall as small bits of ice called sleet. So sleet is little bits of ice falling from the sky. Freezing rain happens when water droplets become ice when they land, like here, like icicles. Hail happens during severe weather. It falls as hard balls of ice. So hail is like ice balls, like it's raining ice. Hail can be small like peas, teeny-tiny, or large like softballs. Can you imagine balls of ice coming down from the sky like that? It would hurt. It can dent houses and cars. Well, it really can. Measuring precipitation. Meteorologists use radar to locate precipitation. So here's our radar, here's our label. Radar shows where rain and snow will be. It tells how much might fall. That's how the weathermen predict. They use the radar. A rain gauge collects water falling from the sky. So it's like a little cup right here. This measurement shows how much water has actually fallen. So it shows right here. Farmers need just the right amount of precipitation. Too much causes flooding. Too little means a drought. A drought is when there's no rain for a long time. Crops cannot grow without water. Oh, and there's our end, our glossary. That's like our dictionary of vocabulary words in alphabetical order. Okay, so that is all about precipitation. We learned about the types of precipitation. And next we are going to do a little activity. We're going to actually write out and take notes on the types of precipitation, and you'll be able to illustrate it.